This is mod 1 for the Cobblers pose. Opening through the groin and into those hips, bringing the soles of the feet together, keep those toes in dorsiflexion. Start with your hands behind you, just wider than shoulder width, point those fingertips outward, and then actively push into the lateral arches of your feet. By doing that, that's going to allow the knees to move to the floor. And then keep that action to the hands, push into the hands, back of the neck is long, spine is long. Just a nice, safe opener for the hips. This is mod 2 for the cobbler pose. Starting with the soles of the feet together. Bringing those feet in dorsiflexion, so actively drawing the toes towards the shin bone. Reach those arms up overhead, keeping a micro bend into the elbows if those shoulders feel super tight. From here, you're thinking of a nice long spine. So actively push those sits bones down into the floor, draw the shoulders down and back, and as you start to push the lateral arches of the feet together, the knees will start to descend to the floor on their own terms. Make sure this feels safe in your body. Don't force the movement. This is mod 3 for the cobbler's pose. Starting with the soles of the feet together, try to bring those heels as close to the groin as you can. Dorsiflexion of the feet. If you have lots of flexibility, your knees will most likely be touching the floor. Extend the arms up towards the ceiling, dorsiflexion of the hands. Keep the spine nice and long and keep the feet active. Keep pushing the outer arches of the feet into the floor as you reach the crown of the head to the ceiling.